God damn you, combo project! Welcome back to Car Guy Vlogs. I hold no responsibility for you fucking this up. So this is what I call a bullshit quick shift, or something just to cut down the shaft. So it's an F23 gearbox. I've put the new kit in. That seal there, and getting this on was a pig, so I'm leaving it at work. I don't care. I've cut down the shaft. Also as well, I've cut, well, you lift up the first bit. I do need to get a new spring because I went hell for leather when I kind of bodged it together. But the Lotus gear knob, once the spring's on and polished and tiger sealed on, should be pretty good. You can see it does go through all of the gears. And when I try to go reverse, I physically can't unless I do that. So you still get the same benefits as what you previously had. So yeah, this now matches my Lotus stalks. Was my main reason why I done it. Excuse all of the bullshit in the van. It is very much in, major project mode now. I'm at the point where I'm just gonna have to take a step back from this, do the little jobs what I can do, and then refresh from there. Still need to cut the rear end out to get the airbags on. Still need to do the exhaust. Still need to do the fuel tank, brake pad, discs. Yeah, fucking loads. But for now, that went to plan. So that can be called the Kevin O bullshit mod. Thank you for watching and wish you luck.